Okay, it's way over there. That's the rocket. See the little red spot? We'll probably start to see it in a minute. The
I know.
yeah.
Can I stay on your phone?
I'll hold you.
Actually, can I stay on your phone?
That's on hold this phone.
Oh, you can start to see a little bit of the tail. Yeah, I can see it on the phone. You can see the tail. Oh yeah, you can really start to see it now. Look at that.
Oh yeah, good.
That's cool.
Oh my god. That's pretty.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh my god. What was that? Oh. Wow.
Did you see that over there?
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
It's July.
Not supposed to July yet.
Can I see something?
The fireworks still and that is cool.
Yeah.
That is
I
cool.
got distracted by fireworks.
I want to go in it.
You want to go in it? You pointed in the rocket. Huh?
That is cool.
There's something over there. You could see that's what. Oh, it is.
That kind of looks like a
I
dragon.
forgot what it's called, like the little side rocket or whatever.
Yeah.
The dragon?
Dragon snake. A dragon snake.
That's a rocket.
No.
What?
That one, no. The red stuff.
Oh.
Oh, you see it like it got bright.
Yeah.
I know I could zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah.
That's cool too.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Look, Tadashi, look.
Okay.
Look at the Jeep, Tadashi. I know you be liking like ones with lights. Okay. Back to the rocket.
Wait, was that a firework?
I don't know.
I'm keeping an eye on the fireworks.
Why are you watching fireworks?
Because. What was it? The fireworks?
That's cool.
Oh shoot! I saw it!
You saw it? Saw the firework?
Is it the 4th of July or something?
Did it just fall in front of? Oh, that was a bug.
Ew.
I thought it
What?
fell in front of the Jeep. It was a bug.
That fireworks. That was amazing. Now let's just watch the rocket. We can barely see it.
I know, it's like way out there.
Well,
We can barely see the rocket.
It's all the way gone. It's like leaving.
leaving what from off.
It's going to space. Why do they set off rockets?
What are you doing?
Yeah, and I can barely
To
see
gather, I
it.
guess, information on certain things in the sky and everything.
I can't even film and see it. I can see it.
I can Billy. I can't.
Okay, it's gone.
No, you can see it. I
Yeah.
can.
Okay.
It's like
It's the little.
very little.
It's fading.
You should be able to see like
The white.
the one thing like fall.
The one thing. I think that's.
You usually see them after they launch a rocket. After it disappears,
Uh-huh.
it fall.
Oh wow.
What?
Okay.
I can also still see it.
Monty Waffle.
I forgot what it's called.
The little boosters? Like the side boosters?
I have no clue what it is.
Wow.
All I know is they like something red falls from the. It's like bright red.
shooting star?
And also falls.
Alien? No.
You said Annie.
It's the.
There was an alien one.
Yeah, I know.
Ew. Oh. Did you say it's small? No. I can still see it. I can still
Oh,
see
shoot.
it. No one don't lose it. I'm not losing it.
But I can still see it. on the 6th, I think it's supposed to be the SpaceX.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
That one is super bright.
I did not see. I'm showing.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure.
It's way out there.
And I can still see it. It almost looks like a star.
I'm a star. I'm a big star.
Yeah,
So that's what I'm saying. I can still see it. Nobody sees it. I'm still looking at it. I can still see it. Can't get distracted.
You said I can't get distracted.
I still see it.
Nobody knows it. I can still see it. I'm not blind.
I think it's going
No, it's not. It's going up to space. It's doing it.
Is it supposed to go up then?
It is. Kind of.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why you say oh my god like that?
Oh
Oh, Belle lost it.
Maybe
Yeah, it's
that's-
gone now. I could barely see it. Oh no, no, I can't see it. It's gone.
Maybe that's the other thing is just the SpaceX ones. I don't
Oh,
ever see
maybe.
them on my phone.
Yeah, I can't see it either. It's gone. And you get the 24, so.
I heard that. What?
Say bye-bye to... Oh, dang. I caught it. I caught it. I caught it when I was getting yo-yo.
I see it.
It was Yo-Yo Tadashi.
Can we see it?
That was funny.
But
I can't wait for the fireworks tomorrow.
Can't wait to the fireworks tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, there's fireworks around here every day.
actually, never mind.
They just don't set them off all at once.
Yeah, we saw.
Can we just go to the park today?
No.
Dad is.
I want to go to the park.